Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to convert HEIC files to a Windows compatible file format, then watch this video. Now what is HEIC is basically high efficiency image format created by Apple for its iPhones. It basically carries the extension .heic and you cannot view it on the Windows system. You cannot open this file on the Windows system. So you need to change the extension into something compatible like .jpg or .png to view the image in your Windows system. We can do that by going to photos.google.com. You need to be signed into Google to go to this site. And once you go to photos.google.com, you can just upload here the file, and I'm uploading this HEIC file. There you go. And now I will just click on it. You can see now you can see the .heic file. Then right click on it and I can click on save image as and click on JPG image and click on save as, and that should do it. Now you see, if you see folks, I have one image which is in the .heic format. So this is in the .heic format, and I uploaded this on the Photos Google and I downloaded the .jpg format. So this is in the .jpg format. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.